Welcome to Kids Fun Learning. Today we are going to show you how to turn this into this. For this activity you will need a toilet roll, glue stick and some craft sticks. You must need 15 craft sticks for this activity. Have fun! First step is stick. Make sure that the sticks are close together. And that's it. If you want, you could colour it in the gaps like I have here. I want to use blue. I'm going to use pink. If you want, you can use this as a rolling toy, or like this, or you could put pencils inside this what you've made, like a pencil holder. I'll show you for example.